can be helpful for investment. When you decide to invest in stocks, you are basically purchasing a piece of a company's earning and assets. Stocks are subject to market risk and the returns are directly influenced by its fluctuations. There is a twofold benefit when you invest in your personal funds in the equity market. You can increase your profit substantially if and when the value. Additionally, you can derive an income from this investment as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Dial Bank and hit the bell icon for the further notification of our videos.